Hello again. Now I've done first weld over here. From this side welding looks good. From this side I should to make one more welding, and then it will be good. But this side a little bit failed. Here we can see like a crack, something like that, you know. There was, I don't know how it's called in English, right, when you use a stick and what comes over from the welding, you know. And this should to be removed by angle grinder or Dremel or drilling, you know. Anyway, and a little bit later, after the video, I use an angle grinder. I remove this and over here, and then by welding I close this crack. Actually, here was very wide place for to weld. The best will be for wire welding to use here, but I'm using a stick welding because here I can grab electrodes or sticks exactly with this material. So thanks for watching.